Hi, I am Ridwan. Today I will show a plugin WooCommerce auto-generate content like a review section, rating a review, and product title automatically category created and automatically selected. Okay, I will show you. This is my dummy content. I delete them now. So category. First of all, I show you comment section. There are comment section. You need to just generate review. Click there, generate moment automatically. Content her apparent here and automatically 5 star selected. Okay, there is five star automatically selected and content generate automatically. So I will show you product content auto generate. So first of all, I delete this category. Okay, uh, okay, apply this. And select every category. Now it is all category deleted, and I go to content generator. There is no name, no description, there is no category. So I click here generate content. So I click generate content, and there are enter some key milk is good for health. Okay, there is a formal casual humanist. So I am casual selected and generate click. It is fully created by AI based plugin. So automatically category selected and description title automatically selected. So this AI generate plugin how to work. So I go to plugin section. Where is my plugin section? It is a sorry plugin setting. Where is it? Product content by AI. So I go them. You can. This is a generation language. You can select Germany, English, France, Chinese. I selected Chinese and save it. Okay, Chinese save it and API setting. There are API setting. Open router. You can enter your open router API key. Open API key. Create here your API key and, and copy the key. Go to model and you can choose a free model. I use this alpha model. It is a free, totally free. You need to just copy this name and go API setting. Already I am copying because it is fully high commented, only content generated. Okay, so Chinese language selected. I will share there how to generate content. It is the Germany version. Okay, I generate only Chinese version because I selected a Chinese language. Now it is provide me Chinese language. It is fully functional working able. Okay, it is fully functional working now.